to Poo Files.
Poo Files, open.
Would you eat your parents' poo? Well, these sick customers would. The bacteria in it helps them digest when they're babies. Oh, it's just blooming wrong.
Poo Facts.
Kiwi poo. Virtually identical to other bird poo. Except for one thing. Kiwi poo has white uric acid crystals in it. Crystals. Mysterious. But quite sharp edges.
Think or float.
Kangaroo! There. Whose bum biscuits will float? Place your bets.
Fart facts.
Bolson Pupfish, the algae that gets extra gassy in summer. And if they don't fart in time, they'll explode. Literally. Oh, the humanity.
Think or float.
Kangaroo! There. Whose poos are lighter than water? Kangaroo, of course. They're herbivores, so their feces float. Bears drop major sinkers because they're carnivores and their poop has fur and bone and other nonsense in it. Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files, closed.